In this section, I would like to talk about advantages of email marketing as the source of B2B lead generation. Email marketing can be an effective source of B2B lead generation in 2023, and here are some advantages of using it for B2B lead generation. Targeted audience. Email marketing allows you to target specific segments of your audience based on their demographics, interests, behavior, and other criteria. This helps to ensure that your message reaches the right people who are more likely to be interested in your products or services. Cost effective. Compared to other B2B lead generation methods, email marketing is relatively inexpensive. You can create and send emails to a large number of people at a very low cost. Personalized messages. Email marketing allows you to send personalized messages to your subscribers based on their preferences, behaviors, and interests. This helps to increase the relevancy of your messages and improve engagement rates. It's measurable. Again, email marketing is highly measurable. You can track open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and other metrics to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. This helps you to optimize your campaigns and improve your ROI. Lead nurturing. Email marketing allows you to nurture your leads over time by sending them relevant and valuable content. This helps to build trust and credibility with your audience and increases the likelihood that they will become customers. Automation. Email marketing can be automated using tools such as autoresponders, drip campaigns, and lead scoring. This helps to streamline your lead generation process and save time and resources. Overall, email marketing can be a powerful source of B2B lead generation in 2023, especially when combined with other marketing channels and strategies. However, it's important to create high-quality, targeted, and relevant messages that resonate with your audience and provide them with value.